In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer an SSL certificate to another Namecheap account. This is a really useful process if you've bought the certificate under one account, but you now need it moved to a different Namecheap login, whether that's for a client, a team member, or a new project owner. And just to be clear, this is not something you can do completely on your own inside the dashboard. You'll need Namecheap Support to complete the push for you. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's walk through it step by step. First, log in to the Namecheap account that currently owns the SSL certificate. This is the source account, meaning the account where the certificate is currently active or stored. Once you're signed in, go to your dashboard, then click SSL Certificates. This is where Namecheap keeps all of your certificate products in one place. Now, find the SSL certificate you want to transfer. When you locate it, copy the certificate ID. This ID is very important because Namecheap Support will use it to identify the exact certificate that needs to be moved. While you're still in the current account, also note the username of that account. You'll need that later when you contact support. Next, log out and sign in to the destination Namecheap account. This is the account where you want the SSL certificate to be moved. Once you're inside, note the username for this destination account as well. Also, make sure you have the full name of the account owner because support may ask for it to verify the transfer request. Now here's the key part. You need to contact Namecheap Support and ask them to perform an SSL certificate push. You can reach them through live chat or by email, but the important thing to remember is that this transfer has to be handled by support. You cannot do the push manually from your account settings. When you contact them, be ready to provide all the details they need so the request can be processed without delays. Send them the current account username, the destination account username, the current account support PIN, the full name of the destination account owner, and the SSL certificate ID. The more accurate your information is, the faster they can verify everything and complete the transfer. If you're using live chat, you can copy those details into your message and explain that you want the SSL certificate pushed from one account to another. If you're using email, format the request clearly so support can easily see each required detail. After that, all you need to do is wait for Namecheap Support to complete the transfer. Once they finish the push, the SSL certificate will appear in the destination account. At that point, you can continue managing it from the new Namecheap login. So, in summary, the process is simple. Confirm the source account, gather the certificate ID, log into the destination account, contact Namecheap Support, and provide all the required account and certificate details. That's the safest and correct way to transfer an SSL certificate to another Namecheap account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more quick and easy Namecheap help.